Ready to unlock the power of USDT on the Ton blockchain? First, you'll need USDT in a crypto exchange or another wallet. Make sure you have sufficient USDT ready to transfer. For this example, we will use USDT from Binance. Within your chosen platform, find the Withdraw section and select USDT. This is where you'll initiate the transfer process. Now, open your Tonkeeper Wallet and tap on the Receive button. Select USDT. Make sure that you have selected the Ton network. Tonkeeper will then generate a unique address for you to receive USDT on the Ton blockchain. This is where your USDT will be sent. Copy this address carefully and return to your exchange or wallet. Paste the copied address into the recipient address field. Double check that the address is correct. Even a small error can result in lost funds. This is a critical step. Choose the Ton network as the transfer network. Selecting the wrong network will cause your USDT to be lost. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer to your Tonkeeper wallet. Consider any withdrawal fees the exchange may charge. Carefully review all the details on the withdrawal confirmation screen, the recipient address, the network, and the amount. Once you're sure everything is accurate, confirm the transaction. The transfer may take a few minutes to complete. Once the transaction is confirmed on the Ton blockchain, you'll see your USDT balance updated in your Tonkeeper wallet. Congratulations! You have successfully transferred USDT to your Tonkeeper wallet.